Hello guys, welcome back to Domestic Tech Guide. This is a channel where we show you how to connect, how to do simple connections at home, simple electronics and simple technical work at home, at your workplace or any other place. So today we're having something new for you. In our previous videos that we've been recording, we showed you how to connect a workstation. So this time around, we are going to show you how to connect an external audio monitor or a woofer or a speaker onto a workstation. So this is the workstation, it has already been connected. So with me here, I'm having my two audio speakers. So these two audio speakers has a volume controller. This is the volume controller. It is used to increase or decrease the volume of the audio speakers. Then these audio speakers, they are powered by 5 volts. This is the USB. This is a USB, the one that powers these audio monitors. We can either connect this into a charger, or we can connect it onto a USB port on the computer tower. Then this is an audio jack pin. This audio jack pin, it gives signal, or it's the one that picks sound from the computer tower and it gives it to the monitors. So I will briefly take you through on how we connect these two on the computer tower. So this is a computer tower, and a computer tower has got 2 output ports. One, it is at the front of the computer tower, then we have another output port at the back. So the one on the front, like this is the front of the computer tower, it is this with a sign of a headphone. So that's where we connect our audio jack pin. So let me show you the one at the back. So the one at the back, the output port at the back is the one which is colored green. So we can see that we have 3 ports here. So this first one, you can either use it for recording or input. Same applies to this blue. So the one that is used for output is this green port. So that is where we are going to connect our audio jack pin. So we can either use the front port or the behind port. So in our connection, I would prefer that we use the behind port. We are going to put this cable on the USB port on the computer tower. And I said that it's the one that takes in power to the audio speakers, and we said that it takes in 5 volts. So we are also going to plug in our signal cable, and in this case we are using an audio jack pin to the output port, and we said that it's the green port. So we plug it in here. So after the connection, we can choose to put either one speaker at the left and another on the right, just to get a balanced sound, a balanced signal. So after this, we are going to check whether our connection has worked. So I'm going to play just anything on my computer. So if I play maybe this song, I said that our audio speakers had a volume controller. This is one that we are going to use to control our volume. So if I increase, you can see that we are getting sound from our speakers. You can either use it to reduce or increase. So somebody out there might be wondering if these very steps apply for someone that wants to connect a woofer at home or any other place. So I'm going to briefly take you through the steps on how we can connect a woofer or a subwoofer onto a computer. So the components that we are going to use, we are going to need an RCA cable. Some people call them banana. This is the RCA, and this is an audio jack pin, the one that will pick signal from the computer tower. So we can begin. I'm going to take you through this, like the ports on our speaker. So we are going to use our RCA cable or banana. We connect them on the input. So when we see on the ports on our speaker, we have input, then we have output. So on the input, we are going to connect this RCA. So it means that one RCA is bringing in it's bringing the input for the left, then another one is for the right. So it means that when someone connects only one like this, it means that you're only picking output on the left. So you're just getting only sound on the left. So this second one is for the right signal. So we are going to connect now this audio jack pin on the computer tower so that we can get sound or signal into our speakers. So now on the output, we are going to connect this small speaker. We are going to connect this small speaker on our output. So since we are getting, we had input both on the left and the right port, so you can either put it on the left or the right. So if you had another speaker like this, you put it maybe on the right because you have input on both ports. After that, we are going to connect this audio jack pin onto the output of the computer tower. And as I already said, that you have two ports. So this time around, let us use the front port. And I said that it's the one which has headphones. So we connect it there. So after that, we are going to power on our audio speaker to see whether our connection has worked. So this is the power cable. It's coming from the audio speaker. So we are going to plug it in our extension cable so that it can get power. So after plugging in the cable, the power cable, we are going to switch on our audio speakers. So this is the switch. So we are going to switch on. So after the audio speaker going on, as we have powered it on, we can already see that for our case, it's already in the aux mode. So if it was like if you power on your woofer or your audio speaker and you find that it's maybe in the Bluetooth or in the FM mode, you can use this button, it's written on mode, to change. But in this case, for us, we are using aux. So after putting our woofer or our audio speaker in the aux mode, we are going to go on our computer and we play something and we see whether it will give out sound. So if you can play any sound, so for the case of those people who want to connect the audio speakers on your laptop, you just go to your laptop and you look for a port which has headphones. It's the same as the one which you see in the computer tower, and that's why you're going to plug in your audio jack pin from the speakers. That's all I had for you today. Thank you very much, guys, for subscribing to Domestic Tech Guide. Thank you very much for watching. These are the few steps one can follow at home, at your workplace, or any other place when you would like to connect as an audio speaker or a woofer on a computer or on a laptop. So that's all I had for you. Kindly give me your comment in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, share the link to your friends. See you in the next video.